Want to know how to update your Snake.io application? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Snake.io application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this screen right here. And updating is super simple. Sometimes on the right side where there are given news and saying snakes, you might get an update button. So if you don't, you need to head towards the Play Store. So just simply head towards Play Store first up. Now once you've opened up your Play Store, just simply head towards the search button right here, and then just type in snake.io. And here you should be seeing snake.io right here. So you can just simply select it, and now you can just simply select update if there is update. It should be right beside play. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.